This how-to video is going to go over how to send a copy of your databases to generally a VersaCall technician or to the VersaCall customer service department. So start from right here for software. Where we want to be is a control center under administration. Back there, here. Basically, we want to select databases. You're going to hit your export. Select the databases that you were told the service department needed. And then you're just going to hit your send to VersaCall. This is where you're going to need to find out or fill out who you are just so they know where it's coming from. You don't have to put in a phone number, but if you want someone to maybe call you back, you can do that. And then just, I would say, put the message in, especially if someone's asking you for it. Say, or whatever the name of the technician was. And then just hit submit, and then now that's going to send it out. And then VersaCall is going to get it on their end and call you back or get working on your project. That'll conclude this video on how to send a copy of those databases. Look forward to talking to you again.